relation to time,
Okay.
meron line dun sa song natin na one day
Time
will run
podcast.
out of
Okay.
time.
Though sabi nila 40 is the new 20.
We'll get to know a lot of things from this podcast, I'm pretty sure. And it's
Sa
gonna be
panahon
long
ngayon.
enough.
Pero feeling ko nga kasi, like, number lang talaga siya. Kasi tayo nga ngayon.
New 20.
Sabi nila 40 is the new 20.
Sabi ng mga 40 years old.
No, I can't wait to watch this. I can't wait. This is gonna be amazing.
Hindi, pero,
Isipin mo yung first time na nag-release tayo ng music. Grabe yung saya, no?
Sa Spotify.
Nabasa mo lang yung pangalan.
You know, in their podcast, they talk about a lot of things. I mean, a lot of inside things. So I love their podcast a lot.
Wow!
May Spotify account.
Nag-release kami ng kanta.
Proud na proud ako lagi, pinapost ko, we are SB19. Kaya gano'n kayo, kahit wala pa nagla-like masyado, wala akong pakialam.
Nahabaan na ba tayo or kulang pa yung 7 years for
Because
us?
they have a lot of stories, they have a lot of things to tell.
Kulang eh,
So,
7 years pa lang.
whenever they
Wait
get
lang.
chance, they say,
Wait, pre.
share with all the
Hindi ko na
18.
kaya yung pantog ko. Ingay na talaga ako.
Sige muna ba?
Okay, time
Bigyan niyo ako ng
first.
oras, guys. Bigyan niyo ako ng time.